Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play football on Meta Quest 3. First, ensure your Meta Quest 3 headset is fully charged and updated to the latest software version for optimal performance. Next, clear a safe play space, ideally at least 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet, to avoid any collisions during active gameplay. Finally, adjust your headset straps and interpupillary distance for a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring clear visuals throughout your virtual football match. Now let's find some exciting football games. From your Meta Quest 3's main menu, navigate to the Meta Quest store. Use the search function to look for football or soccer to browse available titles. You will find various options from realistic simulations to arcade-style fun. Once you've chosen a game, simply select it, complete the purchase, and initiate the installation. Most games are ready to play in just a few minutes. Once your game is installed, it's time to master the controls. Each football game will have slightly different mechanics, but generally, you will use the touch controllers for all actions. The joysticks typically control player movement, while buttons and triggers handle actions like kicking, passing, and tackling. Many games offer an in-depth tutorial, which is highly recommended to practice these movements and get a feel for the virtual pitch before your first match. To truly enhance your virtual football experience, consider a few extra steps. Wearing a good pair of headphones will significantly boost immersion, allowing you to hear crowd cheers and in-game commentary clearly. Always utilize the Guardian boundaries to stay safely within your designated play space, preventing accidental bumps. For extended play, some users find controller grips improve comfort and handling, giving you an edge on the virtual field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.